welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. I'm very excited because this method is going to make someone's creativity look more professional. So without wasting much of your time, I don't know, how do you feel sometimes when you go on Google and download some images with that background look, with that background markup at the back of the image? You see, to me it looks very unprofessional, and that's why we have discovered this tactics, this website, and these tools that is going to help you to not just only removing the background image but making it transparent, thereby making your work look more professional. So without much wasting of your time, let's dive into the tutorial. Number one, go to google.com. google.com. For example, let's say you want to download an image. Let's say you want to download money. Search for money. Okay. Click on images. Now, these are all bunch of monies. Let me give you an example of look at the background image. That's the background image there. See? For example, now let's download this. Download image. Downloaded. Yes. Look at a typical example of that background image we are talking about. So in this tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this background image and I will show you just how. First of all, before downloading any image, you want to make sure that you meet with the the Creative Commons usage rights, so as to prevent Google from striking your content because of copyright concerns and so much more. So what do you do before you download any image? Look at what you are going to do. First of all, you click on this icon. See that, and once you click it will take you here. Usage right. Okay, so you see, and you will select. You see that you will check that round listen. See, you will check it. See it. It's saying licensable. That's what it's saying now. Licensable. So So that's it. So we are going to download a Creative Commons licensed image. So let's download this one. Download. See, it has been downloaded. Look at that white background. Look at it. Look at exactly what I'm talking about. See. So let's dive into the website whereby we are going to use to remove this background image right away. Okay. Still on Google, you go to www.remove.bg. Look at the remember. Make sure you remember the website. That's it. www.remove.bg. Now this BG simply means background, so click. What do you do now? Here we are at the remove.bg website. So what do you do? Right away you click on the upload image. Yes. Look at the image. Look at the image. Yes, we have selected that image and then yes, you can see the background image has already been automatically removed. Look at, let's click on the original to see. Look at the original, then look at the removed background image. So what you do now is you download. Look at it. You can see how perfect it is. Look at it. Then look at the other one. I'll show you the other one. Then to make any picture transparent also, I think it is as the same as removing background image. Then you go to this second website. Say lunapic.com. www.lunapic.com. Just you can save it in your browser. You can save it in your notepad. Look at it. So now here we are at the website. This one is for making your image transparent. The other one, www.remove.bg, is for making your images For example, you download a very nice image, you want to use it for your YouTube, you want to use it for a project, and it's kind of have this background obstruction at the photo. So what do? You go to this very website, www.remove.bg, to remove the background immediately. Then the second website now, which is this very one, www.lunarpeak.com, will help you remove or make your make your photo transparent. Now let's upload. Click on upload. Yes, you can see that one. You can see this one. You can see the difference. It's, you can see now. It kind of have this dark this thing at the back, while this one is whitish. So click on this. Right, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Then what do? You click on this here that says transparent. Transparent. You click on it. See, it has made it transparent. It has made it transparent. You know, this www.lunarpeak.com is the same as www.remove.bg. So they are serving the same purpose. So whichever one you find very helpful, you can utilize it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please leave a comment if you find this very tutorial helpful, if you find it interesting and you would like to see any of this type of tutorial. Once again, you can click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah, I call.